Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch alloys, tires are in good condition. A silk beige MB-Tex interior, panorama roof. Coming around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging, a set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats, an electronic trunk. This one does come with the Premium 3 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power window, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. Navigation, a rear view backup camera, nice wood trim, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, our buttons for our command center, dynamic selects for our different driving settings. This C-Class has 21,786 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this C-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.